Um, this is gonna be a little different video. Um, I'm gonna be doing some Floppy Bird gameplay. So, yeah, I hope you guys like the video and enjoy.
What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Yeah, girl, I ain't thirsty. It's the type of nigga that'll text you first. I just wanna love you till my love bone hurts. Sitting on a Saturday to wake up, go to church. See, is you going curly or is you going straight? Loving what you are and I'm loving what you ain't. Had to cut some Henny cause I noticed what you drank. And I never fuck your friends cause I noticed what you think. And you always get the balls like you posted in the paint, my darling. Is that too wrong? I'm sorry. Go ahead, find Mr. Right. I'm sure he's so important. Till then we just keep poking. I hope this just ain't potent. This soul shit so wavy, no slowing. She's saying, love me like you do. 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 Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. 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 Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate the game. I only got 6. But yeah, so sorry if I sound a little tired, guys, or some shit. But as you can see, it's currently 6:08 in the morning. And yeah, so hope you guys like the video. Join and I'm out.